Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets, my friend. And this is my channel. You see all the videos I already uploaded, and today we're going to talk about CD Projekt Red again, the Polish gaming company, one of actually the most successful and popular gaming companies from Europe. And I know a lot of my viewers are actually invested in CD Projekt as well as I am. So guys, but this is I have to state this. This is not financial advice here. I'm just a YouTuber. This is my retail investor's opinion, and this is for entertainment and information purposes only. So please, so make up your own mind. And I know it hurts if we look at the stock. So let's jump directly into some sort of tactical analysis, and then later we can also check out if we can find actually some information about short interest as well as some fundamental information. So that's the chart, guys. This is the chart. This is the chart of CD Projekt. And what happened today? So why I'm making this video today? So minus 9.12% down. So it finally happened, guys. It finally happened. So I'm talking actually about this already since a long time now. You could say, yeah, why are you not going short then, Mr. Orange? And then I'm saying, guys, I'm not going short. Actually, I'm not going short in any stocks. This is not my investment style. So I'm also a long-term investor. That means I'm holding my position CD Projekt. I'm not selling it. And we could even go down to 60 zlotys. I wouldn't sell. So, but is this for you? Is this let's say, is this something that you should follow? Definitely not, of course, guys, because everyone has a different risk tolerance. So what did I do today? And this is, yeah, I mean, you want to hear this now. So did Mr. Orange, did I buy more? Yes, guys, I bought more today. I bought a very small percentage more, not a lot, just a little small percentage more. My average price is now at 210 zlotys. So you see this error here around about there. So 210 zlotys. So on the top, actually on the top, where we have seen some sort of resistance in 2021. So before we actually had this another crazy meltdown, of course, pushed also by short sellers. I mean, something like this is not happening if there are no short sellers. That's for sure. But also the overall market situation, and therefore I want to show you the Finvest, the heat map, of course. The overall market situation, of course, guys, is also fueling this. Also in Europe, in the gaming industry. I mean, look at this. This is the closing today, guys. This is the closing today. Apple minus 3.6%, NVIDIA minus 3.22%, Amazon minus 4.15%. Hello, I mean, seriously, what's going on there? And then Intel also again minus 3% roundabout. So only Facebook is like stable. So even almost in the green. Then Home Depot and Love's company are in the green, so home builder. So but the overall market today is really a mess. So therefore it's not wondering anyone that actually then also CD Projekt is down, and a lot of other gaming stocks, a lot of other more high-tech growth stocks are down today. So why did I buy? Why did I buy? So I thought like this is my thesis from a pure technical point of view is that here we are. So that after we actually broke through here the trend, when we broke through the trend, and then actually we also broke through the 115 support, I would say it was kind of some sort of support. And now we're actually trying to fight here the support that we have at around 85 zloty. So around about here. So I would say here's some sort of support. Can we break through this? To be honest, we have a recession coming, guys, and the overall market situation, the financial market situation is terrible. So we can definitely break through. So I would even say a classical technical analysis is not really helping. But on the other hand, you want to do it like me. If you want to purchase more, that's your decision, of course. You want to set your some markers where you actually feel comfortable to buy it, because if you set those markers beforehand, then you also can make sure that you're actually then buying, because otherwise you're just saying, it's going lower, it's going lower. So for example, I could have said today, yeah, well, that's definitely going to the 80 zlotys. So, and then it's at the 80 zlotys, and then I say, that's going to the 60 zlotys. So, but if I tell myself, so I think that I want to purchase some more for this stock. So obviously my overall position is also shrinking because I'm in the minus now. I'm massively in the minus. I think over 55% I'm now in the minus. So this starts to hurt. So hurt, of course, but therefore I'm also averaging down. So guys, I mean, 25 zlotys. I mean, that's really, we could break through the 25 zlotys. And if this happens, then I would hope that it bottoms then at this point. But if the market overall, if the Nasdaq and if in general other high growth stocks are falling, I'm not even excluding this anymore. And then I personally, I would have wasted so much money on this stock, and this would really feel bad. But yeah, that's CD Projekt. I mean, it's a growth stock. We knew it's a growth stock. We knew it's completely overvalued. It was overvalued. Probably everything over 100 zlotys is overvalued. So let's also look when I talk about overvalued. Let's see what here at the moment the numbers on Yahoo Finance say. We have a PE ratio of 38.6. So well, and then, but considering also that we actually had 3-time misses in the numbers, and then only in the first quarter we had a beat. And if you look again at the earnings when Cyberpunk came out were not bad. So, but also the rating, guys, the analyst rating is so negative. So average 125 zlotys. So in general, it's really bad. So the rating is really bad. But so what am I doing when it's really bad? When it's really bad, I think like I want to invest, because also actually in comparison to other Polish gaming companies, CD Projekt is really hammered down. So you see a lot of American short sellers and also European short sellers are really betting against CD Projekt. So are they going bankrupt? I mean, that's the question we have to ask ourselves. Is CD Projekt, is this company disappearing? Will it be trading at 50-100 zlotys over the next 5 years? I cannot exclude that it's actually really trading around 100 zlotys the next 5 years. But therefore I'm always saying, start with tiny position, average down if you want to build a position. So that's important. So are they going bankrupt? I don't think so. I mean, they are working on a new Witcher game. They're working on a DLC for Cyberpunk, and I'm sure they also already have plans for other games, maybe a new Cyberpunk, etc. So I'm definitely not believing that they're going bankrupt. Therefore, I'm feeling comfortable to buy some more stock in CD Projekt. So, and also look at that job offering. So they have senior engine programmer. So we can look at the jobs overall. Let's have a look. So this is what they're looking for, guys. They really have a lot of jobs to offer. So it's great. I mean, it's a growing company. They have growth though. They really want to build something, and they want to have more than one franchise, and they are also diversifying a little bit the company. So we can also so let's have a look. Actually, let's have a look at the Twitter account. So obligatory, of course. The rainbow colors, well, I mean, it's okay if it makes the stock more stable. I'm absolutely in favor of this, so I don't care about the political aspect behind this, to be honest. So, but yeah, so let's look here. So what are they writing here? So tell you Tombs, Cyberpunk Edge Runners, 10 episode anime story coming to Netflix. That's also something. I mean, they're bringing their stories to Netflix. That's also great. So here we go. It's our monthly bunch of hired. So let's give our newcomers a warm welcome. So you see, they don't have a lot about games to talk about. So therefore they talk about now a Netflix series. Now they talk about the people that they're hiring. So I have the feeling something is missing there. So, but that's just my feeling. So, and also if you have nothing to talk about, then you also have to say that you like inclusive and that you're participating in the Pride Month. This is all PR, all marketing. So you're also one of the good companies. So you're an interesting company. People would like to work for you. Also, here you see we recently had a Green Friday. So then they go out and they are collecting waste. So okay, it's awesome. So they're also nice people. They're doing something for the environment, for inclusiveness, and they want to be a great place to work at. So this is all important because they're hiring. And let's be honest, if you want to keep your designers, your programmers, your coders, your developers, if you want to keep them in your company, obviously you also have to offer them a little bit beside of the paycheck every month, guys. So looking at this year, actually doesn't look so interesting to work there, but that's just me. I wouldn't like to work in a big office like this, but doesn't matter, guys. So I mean, it is what it is at the moment. It is what it is. The stock is dropping massively. So I was buying it when it was down like -6% today. I didn't expect it to drop even 3% more, but yeah, never catch a falling knife, they say. It's my investment style, so I always catch falling knives. So because it's when I have the impression I need to buy, then it's better I buy immediately and not wait again 1-2 days, because then I might not buy again. So that's just me. So also, we have dividends coming soon, and we have also some other events we can check out. So yeah, we're going to have on the 28th of June, we're going to have the ordinary general meeting. So I already got invited to this. So I'm not participating there in Warsaw. I would love actually to go to Warsaw to participate there. This would be fun. And then you can also here download draft resolutions of the ordinary general meeting of shareholders, documentation submitted, and supervisory board report on remuneration. So I was just looking very quickly over this, so I didn't really have the feeling that there's anything very special or important for this. So I think one stock is going to get 1 zloty. Was it 1 zloty? 1 stock, 1 zloty dividend, something like this. So now I have to check this again, so I don't want to say something wrong, my friend. So yeah, dividend, yeah, it was 1 zloty also before, and I think it's the same again. So if we can go on MarketWatch, what do we see again? Here we have the PE ratio of 49, and it is still high. This is actually what gives me some stomach aching, some belly pain, is that the PE ratio is still high. So therefore I was actually a little bit reluctant to buy, since the market situation, the cheap money changed a lot. And today we had the ECB, the European Central Bank. They are also raising their rates, so maybe therefore European stocks were actually falling. So that's also possible. So high PE ratio is not fun in this market situation. But guys, I believe that the market situation will also change again, and therefore people say it's a stock to invest for 5-10 years. Or yeah, every stock actually. So why? Because the market situation, the economically fiscal environment, if this turns again, if this changes again, then we get flooded again with a lot of cash, and then the markets go up. So that's a little bit what is behind this idea. So do we have any? No short interest. So yeah, to the short interest. So. Some viewer was writing this, and I mean it's more than obvious, guys. It's more than obvious that that CD Projekt is shorted. The question is, I don't really find any new information in English. So probably if you speak Polish, you find better information. So I mean it's clear. It's clear that the stock is shorted. So, I mean, you're not falling 9% if you're not shorted. So obviously a lot of people now short in general, probably European tech markets. So let's put it like this. So they might not even short directly CD Projekt, but it's also possible that some of the big players are shorting CD Projekt. But just don't pay too much attention to the short interest. This is always in every stock. There exists some sort of huge short interest, and just let it play out. I mean, let it play out. You don't have to go all short squeeze like in GameStop. I would say I expect this actually to play out a little bit more like with Tesla, where Tesla has been shorted a lot as well, and then at one point Tesla got over those shorts, so obviously shorted, Tesla is still shorted, and I see this the same with CD Projekt or other stocks. I have so many stocks that have been massively shorted, so yeah, fine. At one point the shorts stop and the stock goes up. Again. So this will also be the same with CD Projekt. I mean, except you believe that it goes bankrupt, but I don't believe this, guy, so I don't think it goes bankrupt. All right, so with that I would say I'm leaving it here. Already long enough video about CD Projekt. So I would say, guys, don't be sad if you're holding CD Projekt. So just be careful when to buy, how much to buy, and don't build a too big position. So always diversify, that's very important. And keep also an eye on other stocks and also even other Polish stocks. Diversify yourself with other European countries, with the US, of course, and then everything will be fine. So I'm not recommending to hold this stock, to sell the stock, or to buy the stock. This is definitely at this point in time, no one can really tell you what to do. So now you really have to listen to your own guts. Now you really have to listen to yourself to find the right answer to this, because now we're in an extremely difficult market and everyone is down, guys. Everyone is down overall in this market. Everyone is losing money. So that's how a bear market works. That's how a recession works. That's how a crash works. So keep this in mind. So be careful what you're doing on the market. So and then I'm sure you're going to be successful in the next 10 years. So but we need this long-term investor horizon. Otherwise, of course, we're just losing our money, and then we're stopping to invest probably. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.